Hello and welcome to the Smart IT Academy. In this course, we are going to explore the Customer Relationship Management module, otherwise known as CRM. We will cover the functionality of the module and how to configure it to best meet your business needs. Through the course, we will view the system as users with various access rights to compare the functionality they each access. As with many Odoo modules, CRM seamlessly integrates with other modules, including contacts, calendar, sales, website, rentals, and more. In fact, when you install CRM, Contacts also automatically installs. As a company grows, it becomes increasingly difficult to keep track of relationships with existing customers, new customers, and leads for potential customers. Odoo CRM allows you to schedule and organize customer engagements, communicate easily with both your team and customers on each opportunity, and so much more. For this first lesson, we will briefly review the menus and basic features in CRM, which we will then explore in depth in future lessons. Let's begin our introduction from the main dashboard by typing CRM and clicking the CRM icon. The first screen is the CRM pipeline, which displays a default Kanban view filtered to My Pipeline. This filter means only opportunities assigned to Mitchell Admin, the logged-in user we can see from the top right, are currently visible. To remove that filter, we will click the X on My Pipeline to see all opportunities. If we start typing OPE, we see the search bar allows you to search the opportunity, customer tag, sales team, city, and more. Let's select Opportunity to see all opportunities that have the letters OPE in the title. Let's remove that filter by clicking the X. Before we move on, let's review a handy shortcut. To return to the first My Pipeline default view from any page within the module, we can simply click either the CRM menu or the Sales My Pipeline menu, like so. On this default page, we have a New button, which allows the user to quickly create an opportunity. We have configured this CRM to have a variety of stages, ranging from New to 1. On each stage, a settings icon allows us to fold, edit the stage, or delete, and a plus button allows us to quickly add an opportunity in a specific stage. We will cover access rights in a future lesson. However, it is worth noting that a user with lower-level access rights will not have access to edit or delete CRM stages. The colored bars at the top of the stage indicates activities on all opportunities within the stage. Green are scheduled for the future, orange are due on the current day, and red are overdue activities. We can see the correlating colors in the activity icon on the opportunity Kanban card. For example, Office Design and Architecture opportunity has a red overdue call activity. Clicking on a specific color will only display opportunities with activities of that same color for the stage. This is an excellent feature which allows the user to focus on urgent activities. Let's click the red-colored bar on the proposition stage to display only opportunities with overdue activities. To return the view to all opportunities in the proposition stage, we simply click the red overdue activity bar once more. At the end of the colored bar, we have expected revenue and expected monthly recurring revenue displaying. These are total amounts from all opportunities within the specific Kanban stage. On the far right, a plus stage button allows users with higher-level access rights to quickly add a stage. We also have the filter, group by, and favorites icons we see throughout Odoo in the search bar. In filters, we have CRM-specific filters, including won and lost, along with a wide range of custom filters. Let's skip over to Favorites before returning to Group By. The Favorites icon allows us to save multiple searches that you may use repeatedly. We simply click Save Current Search, name it, and choose if we want it to be used by default and/or share with all users. We can save multiple favorite searches. There is also functionality to import records and link the current menu into a spreadsheet. Let's remove the My Pipeline and then the Won or Lost filters by clicking the X. Moving to the right, we can change from Kanban to List View. Now we will move back to the Group By icon, which allows multi-level grouping from the List View. We will select to first group by salesperson and then medium. Now, our grouped opportunities can be expanded by clicking Mitchell Admin, then Email. Moving to the calendar icon, we see all opportunities with activities displaying on the days the activity is due. If an opportunity does not have a planned activity, it will not display in the calendar view. The next icon displays a pivot table. As we still have our group by of salesperson and medium, we see information in the left column organized according to this grouping. Moving to the graph icon, we see the salesperson and medium represented in a bar graph. Let's remove the group by filter by clicking the X, and we see the default graph displays salespersons assigned to opportunities in different stages. We will explore the pivot and graph views in detail in a future lesson. Moving to the map icon, let's add a group by salesperson. This allows us to see the customer locations for each opportunity sorted by salesperson. Clicking on a location provides an Open button that will open the opportunity, or if there are multiple, will open a list view of all opportunities relating to this customer location. There is also a Navigate to button, which opens Google Maps to help on-the-road salespeople navigate to the location. To the left, we see the pipeline list of all opportunities. The ones that are light grey and unclickable are opportunities where there is either no contact associated with the opportunity or the customer contact does not have an address. The final activity icon displays all activities on opportunities displayed by activity type and due date. Activities can be opened and edited from this view and new ones added as needed. While we are discussing activities, note that up in the top banner we have an activities icon, which gives us visibility on activities for every module for this logged-in user, Mitchell Admin. To the left, a chat icon allows Mitchell quick visibility on messages and allows him to start a live chat with another user. Moving over to the top sales My Pipeline menu, we are returned to the default Kanban view of the pipeline filtered to opportunities assigned to the logged-in user, Mitchell. Sales My Activities displays a very useful default list view of all activities assigned to Mitchell on opportunities and leads. On the far right, we can click the settings icon to customize which columns Mitchell wants displayed. Let's choose only Customer and Activity By. Now let's remove the My Activities filter. From the Activities list view, a user can easily view activity deadlines, snooze the deadline, and use the clickable email and SMS icons to contact the customer. The Sales My Quotations menu provides a list view of all quotations and sale orders defaulted to those where Mitchell, the logged-in user, is the salesperson. Some sales orders may be generated from opportunities, and we will explore that flow in a future lesson. The Sales Team menu is only visible to users with Sales Administrator access rights if multi-teams configuration has been activated. It allows the user to review and configure each sales team as required. The Sales Customers menu provides a default Kanban view of all customers, and on the Kanban card, we can see the star icon indicating the number of opportunities associated with that customer. Let's click the Ready Mat Opportunity icon to see those opportunities. The next menu is Leads, which displays a list view of all leads. CRM may be used with or without leads. However, we have activated leads in this database, hence the menu is visible. The Reporting menu provides options of forecast, pipeline, leads, and activities, which are an extremely useful resource that we will explore in depth. Reporting data displayed is dependent on the logged-in user's access rights. The final Configurations menu is visible only to users with Sales Administrator access rights. Let's use the top left CRM icon to return to the main dashboard. Now you've had a brief introduction to pipeline, menus, and functionality of the CRM module. Why don't you head over to the next lesson, where we will discuss various user access rights and start exploring our CRM configuration options. Thank you for watching, and until next time.